Have you heard of this new system that can help you pocket daily affiliate commissions? Here's how it works. First, just find an affiliate product that's already making thousands. Second, plug it into the 12-minute affiliate system. Third, order some done-for-you traffic. That's it. The system will automatically promote your affiliate link for months on complete autopilot. Watch the video from the link in the description for more info on how it all works. I know what you're probably thinking. You're probably thinking something like, "This sounds a little too good to be true." And hey, that's totally fair if that's what you're thinking. But don't you owe it to yourself to at least find out the truth? Just take a few quick minutes out of your day, and watch a demo of the system in action. You'll see for yourself that the 12-minute affiliate system is everything I've told you and much, much more. Everything is explained in this video. Click the first link in the description.